The availability of resources within a community dramatically impacts the quality of life for its residents. Your St. Stephen Family Life Center plays a vital role in providing much-needed resources for this community. Within the confines of your Family Life Center operates West Louisville's only sit-down restaurant. Your restaurant offers families the opportunity to unwind with each other, socialize, and bond, all while enjoying a first-class meal. Your KC's Sunday Best restaurant not only offers economic vitality to an underserved community, it also promotes a wholesome family environment that helps to strengthen the family unit. The menu offered in your restaurant includes breakfast entrees as well as a variety of down-home cooking entrees. It is so exciting to know that your St. Stephen Family Life Center through KC's Sunday Best restaurant is doing its part to make sure that resources are available within this community. Stay committed. Your dollar continues to make a difference.